This video is a tutorial to make origami cranes. They will be made from decorated paper and will be part of a mobile in a later unit. The objectives are to demonstrate evidence of following multi-step directions in the correct sequence. You'll transform a 2D piece of paper, which is like the element of shape, into a 3D paper sculpture, which will have the element of form because it will have length, width, and depth when it is done. You'll demonstrate careful craftsmanship through creasing and folding with precision. You'll practice repetition through the production of 7 cranes, and you'll understand the significance of origami cranes to Japanese culture. The materials to gather are your 7 sheets of square paper decorated with the elements of art from the previous unit. This video will show you how to make an origami crane. So with your decorated origami paper, you should have a decorated side and a white side. So first step is to make a plus sign with creases and an X with creases. So it should look like that, an X and a plus sign. Then with corners together like this, then you push in one side and you can kind of make sure all these corners are together here at the top. And then you push in the other side like that. And you're left with a small square that has an open top and then a closed bottom. So the next step, and make sure you've got the right side up or this just isn't going to work. So the open side up, take one layer here and crease it into the middle. And then other side. And the good thing about cranes is everything you do, you repeat on the other side. So then you flip it, do the same thing here, do the same thing here. Okay, and those are actually just creases to help you. They aren't permanent folds. And then the next thing is to take your bottom, your closed side, and just about that much give yourself another crease. So this step is really weird and I like to do it facing this way. I usually have better luck with it. So here's your open side here at the bottom now. Closed sides at the top. Peel back one layer to your crease. So kind of hold it steady at the crease there. And then this is like the step that there's no words to describe this in English and you feel like your paper's gonna rip and you feel like there's no way that this can be right. It is the hardest step. But you wanna coax the paper to lay down flat. And again, no words can explain this, but you just make this big diamond shape. And you get to do it on the other side too. So you peel up just one layer and then you kind of push in the side toward the middle and you just do your best to get the paper to lay flat in this large diamond shape. And the more precise you can get it, the better, but this is a hard step. And I hand cut these square pieces of paper, so they're probably not perfect anyway. Okay, not bad. So now from this step, you've got some walking legs down here, and this part up here does not walk. So on the walking legs side, peel up one layer like this and fold it towards the middle to make the walking legs even skinnier. So do that on both sides there, make those skinnier, then flip it bring those in to make those skinnier. Alrighty. So with your walking legs on the bottom, now kind of hold it like this and flip it this way. So we're just kind of creasing it a different way. And I call this the fox head step. So that's what that looks like. Now you have that kind of done. And then you'll just take one layer right here and flip it up. Flip it over. Crease this one up like that. And your crane is actually pretty much done at this point. Now you just kind of open it up this opposite way again. And you might need to kind of coax your paper into making the head and tail a little bit skinnier. And there you go for your crane. I like to choose the side for the head that turned out a little bit wonky anyway. So this one right here will make a better head because it kind of turned out funny looking anyway. And this tail was a little bit better. So you can kind of play with your crane a little bit to get it in a position that you like. I like to kind of crease these out a little bit and then bring down the body to get some air in there. And I don't like to crease my wings. I just kind of like to roll them. So, there we go. There was one crane.